Hey friends, here again Dr. Ajay with Kahoot tutorial part 2. In my last video tutorials, you have learned about how to get sign up with Kahoot and how to create our own quiz with Kahoot. Now, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to test and edit your created quiz and how to share your quiz with your audience. So friends, let's get started with learning Kahoot step by step. Stay with me. I am Dr. Ajay and thanks for watching. Now with this, Kahoot offers you to test your quiz or to play instantly or to share it with others. If you go for test, you may test your quiz yourself. That opens as new tab. As displayed here, you can play this quiz with up to 50 players as free subscriber of Kahoot. You will be offered to play this in classic mode or team mode. Classic mode allows you to play as one-on-one player mode. You can have another choice to play it as team versus team mode, provided you are premium member. Below here are the game options to further customize your quiz with. Few are the recommendations from Kahoot to be opted, like friendly nickname generator, available for participants to avoid inappropriate nicknames in the game. You can change lobby music to be played during quiz from here. You may opt to randomize order of questions and their answers in general game modes. As advanced options, you can choose your players to join game in 2 steps to help and secure to only the players in the room. You can allow your players to move through questions automatically and allow them to rejoin game after every round. If you are done with these all, select mode of game. I will prefer to go for classic mode as one-on-one device to play this game. To attend quiz as participant, here now you can testify your quiz with 2 options, either to join at www.kahoot.it or install Kahoot app in your smartphone. Now you need to enter the personalized game pin of your quiz displayed on computer or projector screen. As next step, you need to enter a nickname of your choice as participant to enter into game. Then press OK to go on. Now you are in. As host, now you can see nickname of participants joined. You may kick off any player if you find it inappropriate. By now, I won't. You may now lock game anytime to prevent more players to enter in game. With music options, before start to test, you can always have a choice to change lobby music and adjust volume from here. If you are fine with all that, let's start. Here on screen, quiz question appears, and as participant, you are supposed to select correct answers in your smartphone screen. That displays the color and symbol of answers option. After selecting the answer of your choice, the host screen will also be displaying it. Now it's time to go for next to see score of your players. The score can also be seen by participants on their mobile screen. You may end up with your quiz anytime through option at bottom right. To switch to next question, go to next. For every question, you have a choice to skip it for your participants if you find your question inappropriate, else let participants go on. After attending all the questions, the participants on their mobile screen will be able to see individual score and rank among the players as podium. The same will also be displayed on host screen. With review animation option, let your participants enjoy and celebrate their performance through replaying the podium animation again and again. Go for next to reveal the result statistics. To see the difficult questions that was answered by less than 35% of your participants correctly. You may further allow your participants to play again or may get feedback on Kahoot. Let participants rate, like, dislike and express their feeling for their experience. As host, you have the choice to display feedback of participants on your screen. Now, to see full report of this quiz, it is recommended to stop sharing your screen with players. Now here, you can access the full statistics of your quiz in separate tab. Full statistics includes a complete summary, player-wise, question-wise, and feedback-wise. Report option at top right corner of quiz allows you to download, print, and delete this report anytime. The download option allows you to save the report either to your computer or Google Drive in Excel format. Now close the test and come back to Kahoot tab for further proceeding. You may share this Kahoot through various social sites, Google Classroom, or through email addresses. Let's get back, and you may still have options to go back to edit your Kahoot. If you feel it fine, press done. So friends, thanks for watching this part. Now move on to my next video to learn how to host and play Kahoot. Thank you.